Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out, and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Today in this explainer, we step into a realm where magic meets silicon. We are looking at a brilliant new horizon for artificial intelligence. Let us begin our journey and uncover these hidden secrets. Let us dive right into the heart of this tale. Google has forged an incredible algorithm called TurboQuant. It takes the memory of a language model and compresses it a staggering 10 times over. The quality of the answers stays pristine, losing absolutely nothing in the process. This magic works hand in hand with the DFlash engine. It creates a real breakthrough for sovereign local systems, letting you hold vast knowledge right in your own hands. The secret behind this spell is called TQ-Tree-0. Powerful mathematics and polar coordinates are hidden inside this technology. Like Mokosh, the ancient goddess of fate, the algorithm tightly weaves the threads of data together. It makes the cache almost 10 times smaller, performing absolute miracles right on your machine. Imagine a huge context of 128,000 words easily fitting on one single consumer video card. In the past, the standard heavy data formats took up way too much space, acting clumsy and completely cumbersome. So, how do we build this magical fortress? We deploy our powerful Warrior Outpost right on an Ubuntu system. Inside stands the mighty NVIDIA RTX 6000 card, hiding 48 gigabytes of memory. Think of it as a faithful house spirit, a Domovoy, reliably guarding the home server. We created a virtual environment through the Conda program and downloaded the code of the DFlash engine. All the tools were built right from the root folder, perfectly setting the stage for the magic to come. This spell requires two neural networks to work together in true partnership. The main Q model is massive with 27 billion parameters. It answers questions like a legendary giant, heavy and strict, carefully verifying every single step. The second model works like the classic Swift simpleton, acting purely on intuition. It guesses entire blocks of words ahead, constantly rushing forward. The big neural network then simply verifies this path. You get many words for the price of one single step. This is the true magic of speculative decoding, making everything incredibly fast. But every good tale has its monster. First, we started the server without the smart compression. We used the standard cache without the turbo algorithm, opening the server doors on port 8080. Instantly, the memory consumption spiked to 19 gigabytes. Your video card fills up incredibly fast during a long conversation. This acts like the greedy immortal villain Koschei, draining your power and stealing your memory. Without compression, your system will exhaust all its resources, and the magic will completely fail. Then, we turned on the magic of the new algorithm. On a short context, the savings begin at 400 to 600 megabytes. Like a legendary earthly titan shedding his heavy load, the system drops the extra weight. It feels much lighter, much more agile, and completely ready to work. But the true power is revealed on large texts. The cache grows linearly, like a magic beanstalk reaching up to the sky. Without compression, the server simply will not survive this growth. With it, the system breathes easily. This brings us to the breathtaking climax of our explainer. We set a massive context of 130,000 words. Without the algorithm, we would need 50 gigabytes of memory. A normal video card would instantly give a critical error and crash completely. But with the sheer power of compression, the cache takes less than 2 gigabytes. This keeps the total memory consumption at just 21 gigabytes. The impossible becomes a beautiful reality right on ordinary consumer hardware. Ultimately, artificial intelligence becomes truly sovereign and completely free. Become a channel sponsor so we can explore this magic together. Thank you so much for your support. It really helps the project grow. Many more discoveries await us in this brilliant new digital frontier. Powerful compression algorithms are changing the rules forever. We can load entire books into our neural networks, and we no longer need giant cloud data centers. The bright future is here, working right on our own servers. What new magic will we discover next?